Welcome. In the previous class, we are discussing about differential equations. In our unit 3, we have first order, first degree differential equations, and we will discuss the following types: variable separable, homogeneous, linear, Bernoulli, exact and non-exact types. So we cover these 6 types of first order, first degree differential equations in our unit. Now let us see the first topic, variables separable. When we say that a differential equation is in the form of variables separable form, and how we will solve that differential equation. Suppose if you are able to write the given differential equation in the form f of x into dx equals to g of y into dy, then we say that the differential equation is in variables separable form. So what are the variables here? In our first order, first degree differential equation, variables are x and y. So I am having a function of x and which is multiplied with dx, and on the other side I have a function of y multiplied with dy. So first order derivative dy by dx is separated. dy is written on one side, dx is written on the other side, and I am multiplying dy with a function of y and dx with a function of x. So I am separating the variables, and this is called variable separable form. And if the given differential equation can be written in this form, f of x into f of x into dx equals to g of y into dy, then we say the differential equation can be solved by variable separable method. And how to solve it? So since the variables are separated, if you see, dx coefficient is a function of x, dy is multiplied with the function of y. So integrate on both sides. When you integrate the equation on both sides, you will get an integral of f of x dx equals to integral of g of y dy, and we are adding plus c as integration constant. So this integration constant is nothing but arbitrary constant in the general solution. So this is the general solution for variables separable method. Okay, let us see example. Now 2 differential equations are given to us and we are asked to solve them. See the first differential equation. We will solve the first differential equation now. What is the first differential equation? dy by dx equals to 2x by y plus 1. So differential equation given is dy by dx equals to 2x by y plus 1. This is first order, first degree differential equation. Why? It is involving dy by dx. dy by dx means first order derivative. And what is its power? Power is derivative of y with respect to x, and its power is 1. So power is 1, so degree is 1. Only first order derivative is there, order is 1. So this is the first order, first degree differential equation. Now I want to solve this. How to solve this? I will solve using variables separable. How to separate the variables? So write dy here only. Bring this dx to the other side. Now I want to write this y plus 1 to the other side. So I will get y plus 1 dy equals to 2x dx. So variables are separated. So dx coefficient is function of x, dy coefficient is function of y. So then we can integrate on both sides. So if dx coefficient is a function of x and dy coefficient is a function of y, then we can integrate on both sides. Integrate both sides. So when I integrate, integral of y plus 1 dy is equals to integral of 2x dx. So here y plus 1 is integrated with the variable y, and on the RHS 2x is integrated with the variable x. So when I integrate, integral of y is y square by 2 plus integral of 1 y equals to integral of 2x x square, and we are adding integrating constant plus c. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. The solution obtained is general solution. Why it is general solution? Because it is involving arbitrary constant. How many arbitrary constants are there? One arbitrary constant. Because given differential equation is of first order, general solution is involving one arbitrary constant. So therefore this is general solution for the given first order differential equation. So what we have done? We have separated the variables. We have rewritten the given differential equation in such a way that dy coefficient is a function of y, dx coefficient is a function of x. Then we are integrating both sides. So when I integrate, we get this answer. So we are adding integrating constant, which makes the solution as a general solution. Now let us solve the second equation. xy dy by dx equals to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. So I am solving the second differential equation. So our differential equation is xy into dy by dx equals to 1 plus x plus y plus x plus y. 1 plus x plus y plus xy. So I want to solve this differential equation by variables separable method. So what I have to do? I have to separate x terms and y terms, and all x terms to be written on the side of dx and all y terms are to be written on the side of dy. So for that, what we have to do? I want to simplify the RHS. So 1 plus x plus, take y common. So when I take y common from these two terms, if I take y common from those two terms, I will get y into 1 plus x. So in the RHS, again take 1 plus x common. So if you take 1 plus x common, I will get, this is 1 plus x into 1 plus x into y. If I take 1 plus x common, I will get 1 plus x into 1 plus y. So xy dy by dx equals to 1 plus x into 1 plus y. Now separate the variables. dy you keep on LHS Write dx on the RHS. Dx is in the denominator here. If you bring this to the other side, you will get a dx into numerator. Okay. Now on dy side, write all y terms. 1y is already here, I am writing it as it is. 1 plus y is here, we are multiplying here. If you bring this to the other side, y by 1 plus y. Similarly, I put 1 plus x here only, and I will bring this x to the other side, 1 plus x by x dx. So differential equation given is written in the variable separable form. Dy into function of y equals to dx into function of x. So integrate on both sides. When you integrate on both sides, we get integral y by 1 plus y dy equals to integral 1 plus x by x dx. So integrate it, simplify, integrate. So how to write this y by 1 plus y? In the numerator, if I add 1 and subtract 1, I can written as 1 minus 1 by 1 plus y into dy equals to 1 by x plus x by x 1. So if you integrate, integral of 1 is y minus integral of 1 by 1 plus y is log of 1 plus y equals to integral of 1 by x log x plus integral of 1 x. After integrating every term, you have to add integrating a constant plus c. So therefore, the solution of the given differential equation is y minus log 1 plus y equals to log x plus c. This is the general solution obtained for the given differential equation. So what we have learned is variables separable method. When a differential equation is given to us and if we can write that differential equation in the form of f of x into dx equals to g of y into dy. That means dx is multiplied with the function of x and dy is multiplied with the function of y. So if you are able to reduce the given differential equation in this form, it is solvable by variables separable method. So what do you mean by solving? Just integrate on both sides. So add integrating constant. So two examples we have seen where we are separating the variables and integrating on both sides. This is the first one. This is the second one. So in the same way, we can solve other problems on variable separable method. We will see another method in the next class.